I'm off Thai in the United States. I got the mechanical timer got for my Christmas tree. We won't be at home on Christmas. I would like to set timing, and I look on eBay. There were many different items to do timing, and I picked this one. 2 units in one box. The cost $18.84. I had hard time to get it works, but I got it at the end. Don't get it how the turning work. It says in the manual, if I want to turn on the light, I need to pin up. If I want to turn off the light, I need to pin down. And I confused how to adjust or like rotate the wheel to let it light up at the time I wanted. Like I would like it light at 7 in the evening and off 8 in the morning. I still don't get it. When I start using it, the light did not turn on, and then I turn. When I turn it, the light is on and the light is off earlier than the time I wanted. Then I give up. I just, okay, it's on and off, it's fine. And later on, I set up a snowman in front of my house, and the light didn't turn on at all. I tried to pull up, pull down, and nothing happened. Then I just turning the wheel turning. Yeah, the light is on, and then I just let it stay like that when the light is on. I guess the unit can set up exactly the time by push down the pin or push up the pin. Just me. I don't get it how this thing works. Exactly time I wanted. This was my experience, and it's fine now. I just get the light on and off in the evening and in the morning. I'm happy. Just early, I still need to figure it out how I gonna adjust it exactly the time I want the light to turn on and the light to turn off. I push up or put down the pin at the time I wanted, and the turning, that what I don't understand. Anyway, it works very well. Thank you for listening to me, watching my video. Have a great time. Bye.